I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Well, I'm at the bar. I played 8-ball. I won the first match, lost the second match because I think I got the wrong pocket on the 8-ball or scratched, I don't remember. Anyway, and then she won on the last one. We played 3 rounds. I'm back to keeping score on 9-ball. Good morning. How you doing? I'm doing all right. I got a cold shoulder. I think that's what they call these shirts. Except right here's where my Nico is. My Nico. But anyway. Yeah. So what you doing? How you doing? What you know? Tell me something exciting. What do I know? Oh, we're going to eat lunch today at work, and Grecian Steakhouse won. This is a place that I've got a little less than half of a tank. All right. This is the place where they have, it's just good. You can get Grecian foods. I usually get their chopped steak or chops or whatever they call it there. And I get salad. And I usually get a salad and cottage cheese and bring them both at the same time. And then I get, this is the place that has the free ice cream. And yeah, I probably will. So, so we're having a team meeting there. Just kind of, we do that every 3 months to celebrate the birthdays. Oh, I got to put my name tag on. I took it off yesterday when we went to meet with our supervisor. Because I was like, I'm not going back to work. So I'm not putting that thing on. So poor Suzanne had to check us in and out with her name, which is fine. Whoever has a badge, it's fine. But anyway, and then we get back to we ended up going back to our building, and I needed it. I just let her walk me in. What else? Trash, y'all. Today is, I think today it's celebrating. Today's June 16th, like the holiday, like, I don't know. I don't understand how the city says, well, this is the holiday, but we're closed on this day. That just gets me all discombobulated. But anyway, so I didn't get my trash was supposed to have been out Wednesday instead of Thursday. And, so I got a big old trash. My trash can's full. So anyway, all right, well, that's enough out of me, because yesterday would have been the 18th, and I think Juneteenth is the 16th. I thought that's what I saw. So yesterday 16th should have been the holiday, and not yesterday. But anyway, what do I know? I'm just a nurse, and who hasn't had enough coffee. That's what I know. I couldn't even tell you. I think today's Friday. I think it is Friday. Come on. Yep, it's Friday. So, yeah, yesterday should have been trash day, but they picked it up on Wednesday. Anyway, I love you people. I got a weird eye problem last night and today. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like my little growth thing is growing. Anyway, all right. I love you people. I'll show you what I get at lunch. Bye. I'm hungry. And I know I need to drink some water, and that would help me. But I don't want to drink water right now. I know I should have brought out my stick, but I'm hungry and I'm cranky and I'm mad because I want to eat, and it's 10 o'clock, but we're going out to eat in an hour, and I didn't bring nothing. I didn't bring no meat sticks or nothing, because I shouldn't be hungry, because even though I know I ate I had 3 meat sticks last night at the pool game. I had 3 meat sticks. So I actually have no business being hungry. There's Mr. UPS man. Hi, Mr. UPS man. So yeah, I'm hungry, I'm cranky, and I'm mad. So that's what's what. And the sun is shining. It's very prettiful. But I got on a long sleeve shirt. Well, 3/4 length shirt. It's one of them sweaters. Hang on, I'll show you. Well, you saw it earlier. Just deal with it. I got issues. Shut up. No, I got home last night. I guess it was about 11. And I lost both my games. But that's okay. She was a level 4 and I'm a level 2. So I'm not sad about it. My legs are sore. Oh, my stars, they're sore. Because I ended up having to stand to keep score. Because at the bar we were at, there was like this vent. And it was right on us. And it was just like whoosh, hard air conditioning air. So I froze my booty off. And then, so I froze my booty off. And so I had to stand. I was keeping score. So I stood so I could stand back away from it. And so, anyway, oh gosh, now I'm hot. We're just going to go this. I told you I'm cranky. Just deal with it. I ain't even going to go to that telephone phone pole. Forget it. We're just going right here. I don't know. Let's see how many squares we went. Okay. 1. Yeah, I'm cranky. I'm hungry. I'm sleepy. 2. I got to bed at 11, and then I had to get up at 6. Had 6 hours of sleep. Dadgum, that ain't enough time for nobody. But that's okay. I like my pool, and I'm not giving it up. That's block 5. So, anyway, I hope y'all are having a good day. I'm having a good day. Like I said, we're going out to eat at Grecian Steakhouse. I'll get a chop something, and who knows what. So we went 7 blocks, squares, 8. Let's see. This one's going to be 9. And this next one's going to be 10 and 11. Okay, we walked 22 squares. Good job, Terry. All right, shut up, people. I'll talk to you later. Okay, so I'm going to go inside and drink a boatload of water because I know I ain't hungry. I'm just dehydrated. But I don't care. I can say I'm hungry if I want to, even though I'm dehydrated. Carn flabbit. Just leave me alone. I did good. We haven't left a Grecian. What I'm saying is I did good. I didn't go inside the building and eat anything after our walk. I chugged a bunch of water. I did have some extra coffee to kind of help fill me up a little bit. But yeah, so I did have coffee, but I just want to tell you, I didn't go inside and buy anything that I shouldn't buy that's on our snack shack. Okay, off to get our food. Bye. So I've got my salad with ranch and cottage cheese. Okay, and there is my 8-ounce top sirloin. Yum, yum, yum. I know y'all see that. Look at it looks like a little gnome hat. So I've got some vanilla ice cream. Y'all, I just ate my gelatin and I'm cold inside, but people getting on my nerves. Do you ever have days like that where just the sound of people's voices, you just want to slap shit out of them? I can't believe I'm saying it. And we ain't going very far because it's hot. And I got this long sleeve sweater on. But I don't know. I got an earbud in and I'm listening to a podcast. But there's people around me and they're talking. I'm like, I just want to go pop, 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 pop. Shut up. Even though I'm not even working on something that's super challenging. It's just filling in a spreadsheet because today everybody had to turn in their weights. But people are getting on my nerves. But what I do want to say right quick is that, look, hi, Mr. Bug. Where you going there, buddy? Anyway, I was feeling a little peckish. I finished the gelatin. I'm feeling a little peckish, but you know what I did? I was in the bathroom because I was looking for some, or in the break room because I was looking for some tissue, and didn't find any. But in the break room, not only is tissue, but no tissue now, but what it was in there? Oh, the snack shack. So Carn Flabbit, I didn't do it. I am so proud of myself. I said, no, Terry, you just walk yourself out of there right now. And I did. I did it, guys. I did. I walked right out of there. And I went back to my chair and sat down. I heard them people's voices, and I'm like, oh, no, not today. Not today, Satan. Not today. You people annoy me. I can't help it. They were just bugging the snot out of me. I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I got to go outside. Plus, I was cold. And anyway, I'm like, oh, no. I can't deal with you people today. Anyway, yeah, so I'm coming outside. I'm going to come out here and I'm going to kick a rock. So hang on. I done lost the rock I was kicking. Let's see, are you a rock? You're a rock. That'll make me feel better. Just, grrr, I'm going to kick the rock. This would be a good time to go home and play a video game right now. I'd go in. What game was I playing last? Oh, yeah, I was playing The Witcher 3. Look, this is their version of fixing a sinkhole. I swear it's a sinkhole. But they just dump some stuff in it. And that's it. They just dump some stuff in it. And look, it's still sinking right there. And sinking up here. So, and it's sinking all up in there. So, yeah, someday your girl's just going to get sucked up into... I'll get sucked up into the earth, and that'll be that. So if I come up missing, I keep telling y'all, better check the Southeast Missouri and Google Terri Leist's obituary and see what you find out. All right, well, I'm going to go inside because I'm done complaining. I am. It's like I'm just cranky. I wasn't that cranky earlier today. Yeah, I was hangry, but I ate, and it was yummy, and it was a delicious meal. But now I'm just want to go home. Because it's Friday, and people bug the snot out of me for no reason, of course. Bye. My bestie asked if I could come over, or if I would have time to come over. I am socially saturated. I've been cranky today. I've been peopled all week. Yeah, I am socially saturated, and I want no human interaction today or tomorrow. So tomorrow, it is all just home, laundry, whatever. It's just a Terri day. I need tomorrow to myself. Anyway, so yeah, I am socially saturated right now. All right, what have I got? Well, I don't know, at some point, Mom wasn't feeling good, and I went over to her house, and so she had picked up some barbecue, pulled pork. Well, they did not put sauce on it, which is good. She asked for that. And I have my G. Hughes. Was it G. Hughes? No. My Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So, that's what I done. I heated this up. I got a piece of cheese in there. And some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Ray. Because this tastes better than... Shh, let's not tell him. It tastes better than G. Hughes. So, this is what we're having. I don't know how much of this I'll eat. But it's just all in here. I told y'all I needed these containers for my gelatin. So I need to get them used up so I can have my gelatin ready to go. So, it's like the pulled pork is the kind that you get, like I said, from a restaurant. So it's got that smoky flavor. What do they call that? Chef's kiss. So I'm cracking up. I've been drinking out of this thing. I don't even remember what day I got the dealie. I don't remember. I think they're... Hey, Ziggy. When you have a circle flavor, like a Life Sip, the little cartridge, how long can you use the cartridge before you need to throw it away?
Oh, you're asking about those little flavor cartridges. Typically, you can use them for several weeks, but it really depends on how often you use them. When the flavor starts to fade, it's probably time for a new one.
Well, that's what she's saying. But I thought the instructions when I first got it, I thought it said you can only use it like 7 to 10 days. I don't remember which. But I don't know. All that to say, I need to look up and see when I got them. Anyway, so yeah, so that's what I'm having for supper. Some pulled pork. And then, we'll see what else I got going on over here. Tomorrow's going to be a full day for me. When I say full day, I just mean I'm going to be logging into my game. I just mean like it's going to be laundry. I know I'll have one of like the non-hangable stuff, like underwear and stuff. And then one that's like my one that was like my stuff that I have on hangers. That's how I wash them. Like underwear and t-shirt, non-hanging t-shirts, like just these things. That gets washed in one bundle. And then the things that I have to hang up, that gets washed in another bundle. And then I know I have to do my laundry, or my bedding. I have to do my meds tomorrow. If I was smart, I'd do it today, but I ain't that smart. Ooh, this is the chocolate malt. Reminds me when I was a kid, it could have a little bit more of a chocolate flavor. Okay, it's good, but I feel like the old ones had a little more of a chocolatey flavor. Like the old drink, the milkshakes, you know, the malt. It has a good malt flavor, but it could have a little bit more of a chocolate. But anyway, so chocolate malt is this one tonight. Oh, and I'll eat one of my gelatins this evening while I'm laying in bed. You know, the dogs start corralling me about 6. You know why they do that? Oh, did I tell you about calorie? Anyway, because Baxter wants he wants that whipped cream stuff. All right. Focus, Terri. Focus. Told y'all, last night I put down a paper plate with food. I put a bowl of food and then put some on the floor. She went straight for the floor. So I was looking at, I was like, wait a minute. What about a tray? You know, if it's a thing where she doesn't want it to be like raised or even something white or ceramic. So I tried that. I have a little, you know, that plastic tray that I use when I'm meal prepping. Nope. I did dump it out on the floor again. So whatever is wrong with this dog, not wrong with her. She's just a lady and she knows what she likes. She said, I know what tastes good and you just let me alone. So the only thing her bowl, she did use her bowl last night because I put some whipped cream in there, you know, because I put hers in the bowl and the others take it straight from the nozzle. Then she licked out of her ceramic bowl. I don't know. This girl, she is something else. I can tell you that much. But that's what I know. So I love y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Happy Friday.